Hi there. Please find day 82 in your math skills work packet. Number one, write the numeral for 85. Well, numeral means number. Do you remember what 85 looks like? Do you see it on the 100 grid here? There's 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Kind of glaring, isn't it? 85 with 8 tens and 5 ones. Number two, 6 plus 6 equals, do you remember? It's a doubles fact, isn't it? 6 plus 6 equals 12. I also could count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is my sum. Number three, what's 6 minus 1? Well, I could just count back 1, couldn't I? 6 minus 1 is 5 because 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 is my difference. Number four, 6 plus what equals 7? Well, I'm going to put 6 in my fist and count on till I get to 7. 6, 7. How much did it take? It took 1, didn't it? Let's see if that makes sense. Would 6 plus 1 equal 7? Yes, we did that correctly. If I had added those, I would have gotten 13. And I wouldn't say 6 plus 13 equals 7. So I needed to count on here, which is the same thing as subtracting these two numbers. If I had a part total box, like I show you often, we were trying to find this number. So you could either subtract these, you could count on here, 6, 7. It's the same thing, same process. Number 5, count the sides. Ooh, we had to draw one of these last week. I think it was last week. Let's count them. Mathematicians mark sides like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Do you remember what kind of shape this is called? It's an octagon. You don't have to write this, but I'm going to write it here. Octagon. Octa means 8, just like an octopus has 8 tentacles. We also have 8 corners or vertices on the octagon. Is an octagon 2-dimensional 2D or 3-dimensional 3D? Yes, it's 2-dimensional because it's flat, 2D. Record the area in rectangles. The area is how much space is inside of a shape. So we're going to say how many rectangles make up the area of this larger rectangle. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the area is 7 rectangles. Okay, we have a little chart here, number chart. Children in class, boys 7, girls 10. The teacher wants to put boys and girls together in pairs. Does she have enough boys for each girl to have a partner? Oh, well, what do you think? She only has 7 boys and she has 10 girls. Does she have enough? No, she doesn't. There aren't enough boys. I'm going to do a quick little drawing. You don't need to do this, but I'm going to draw dots for 7 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And over here, I'm going to draw dots for 10 girls, but I'm going to line them up to the boys because they're supposed to have partners, right? So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to match up my partners. And as you can see, we have some girls without partners. How many don't have partners? 1, 2, 3 of them don't. Number 8, I am 10 less than 60. What number am I? So 10 less than 60, that's 60 minus 10, because when it's less than, we're taking away. So there are different ways to figure that out. We've been learning about the 100 grid, and we know that to add a 10, we go down. Well, to subtract a 10, we go up on the 100 grid. So if we're at 60 and we want to do minus 10, I go up. So 60 minus 10 is what? 50. Okay, that's all. Thank you for joining me.